Hello crafties and happy new year. My name is Infiniti and today I'm here with a sort of I guess update. Is it really an update? So you guys may or may not know that the channel has reached 500 subscribers. I am completely stoked and taken aback. It's still I just got up to that, so I had to jump up, get ready, and be like, oh, am I gonna record? Do I want to record? Yeah, I want to record. So got up, got ready, mildly did my hair, mildly. But anyway, I am excited. I did not expect to hit 500 subscribers this year. I can't even tell you guys how absolutely amazing that is to me, and I am totally grateful and I feel very blessed. Again, I thank all 500 of you for joining in, sticking around and interacting with me and my tutorials. I've seen tremendous growth since I started the channel back in 2018. Actually, I started October 1st, 2018. So to have gone from there to here, I don't have words for it. This is gonna be a really bad recording because I don't have words. I just hope that you guys will continue to enjoy the content that I put out and continue hanging around me as I continue to grow the channel and my business and all of that fun stuff. So, to celebrate, now I already have a promotion going on in my merch shop. So if you guys didn't know I had a merch shop, I have a merch shop. I just tend to not push it as much. I don't know why not, but anyway, I have a merch shop. The link to that is always in my description down below. But to celebrate, I think I want to do something a little different, something I've never done before on the channel, and that is I want to do a random act of kindness. Now, it's not a giveaway, it's not like that. It's just a random act of kindness. I'm not big enough to do giveaways yet. So in order to enter this random act of kindness, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, and then comment down below. Just, I don't know, tell me what you think about my channel, because I'm always looking for ways to improve, ways to help crafties out. I do have some helpful tips and how to do XYZ things. I don't want to call them tutorials because they're not part of the normal thing that I do, but anyway, we'll get more into that. My random act of kindness, I will be giving away a piece of my merchandise. 9 times out of 10 it'll be one of these. You guys might have seen my little mugs on Instagram, or I might have I might have posted it on Facebook actually, but I rebranded everything, and I'm sure by now you guys have seen the new artwork that I put up, which I worked so hard on, so I'm excited to be sharing that with you guys. But I rebranded a lot of stuff in my merch shop, so you can go ahead and check that out, so that it fits the theme for 2020. I love this mug. And I'm a mug collector. I like to collect different unique mugs. So this is sitting on my yarn shelf for now. I have not used it, but it's nice and lightweight and it's perfect to craft with. I can't wait until my shirt comes in. At the date of this recording, my shirts have not come in. So that's why I am in my jammies again, recording. Like I said, it's December 29th. So yeah, it's a little early. But again, I did not expect it. I did not expect this, and I'm honored and I'm grateful, and yeah. Thank you everybody for subscribing, for supporting my channel across different platforms. Special shout out to my friends who they network me and share my stuff, and I just really appreciate each and every last one of you. So until next time, guys, happy making.